What is going on, YouTube? I'm going to make a really short video here, shortest video I've ever made, hopefully. Just showing you the new taillight that I got from my Harley Davidson Sportster. It's just the regular traditional Harley Davidson taillight. I got it from this Amazon AJP Distributors. I'll go ahead and shoot a link in the description, but, the reason that I got this taillight is because, one, it kind of matched the style that I already had, and two, it had the turn signals incorporated inside of the taillight. Now, I had Custom Dynamics Pro Beam taillight and turn signals and the triple play and all the custom fancy wild the wazoo stuff. However, since I'm putting the saddlebags with the subwoofers inside of them, I am not going to be able to run turn signals anymore. Got to delete them because they're going to be in the way. So, here's just a quick review, quick video, show you about this thing. Check it out. So, AJP Distributors, got it on Amazon, it's on eBay, it's all over the place. This is the box. It literally just comes with the taillight, and it comes with a like a foam padding on the back. It's like a gasket. There is no screws, there's no kind of hardware or anything like that. That is it. That's all that comes in the box. This is it. So you got like the infinity light or whatever they call that with like the white phosphorus coating, and kind of looks pretty cool in the dark. It is not nearly as bright as my Custom Dynamics Pro Beams, but whatever. At this point, I just want to put subwoofers on my bike, so whatever, As you can see, it's got the built-in LED light. There was an option to get this light up on the top, get it on the bottom. You could do smoked, you could do black, you could do red, you could do clear, whatever. I don't know, there's a ton of options for these. Install was okay, but I gotta be honest with you, it is not really a great fit. I mean, it is definitely a China fit. That being said, it works. It's on my bike, it's mounted. I don't feel like it's gonna come off. I don't feel like I cracked anything trying to stress it, putting it on there. But it fits like absolute crap. There's a gap up here. I don't know if you can kind of see, there's like a huge gap right up the top here. And it's just not even all the way around, like it's smooth all the way around the bottom. The top, there's a huge gap. There's the actual, like, the power plug for the rear harness that comes out here, and it's hitting where the wires go into the taillight. So just the way this thing was engineered, I don't really know. But 99 bucks, eBay, Amazon, versus, the other set I had here, which was like 200 for the light, 200 or 100 for both of the taillight turn signal things, and then the triple play module and all that. So it's really kind of up to you. For me, it's going to work. Nobody really is going over and sticking their fingernails here and be like, hey, this is off, So I don't really have to worry about it, but I don't know. Just depends on how picky you are. It is a China fit. China. Thank you for your cooperation. And just to clarify, this is not like a comparison video, like what is better, Custom Dynamics versus the AJP $99 special. There's hands down the Custom Dynamics is better. It was way brighter, installed way better, looks better in my opinion. The route that I'm going, I have to delete my turn signals, and I wanted to kind of still keep the function. So that's why I did what I did. China, guys, you get what you pay for. I mean, yeah, it's cheap, but it ain't always perfect. So don't buy one of these things and expect everything to go hunky-dory. There might be a little snag you might have to figure out. There might be some fitment issues. For my thing, I actually had to try and file down some edges of the stock harness plug to try and get this thing to fit a little bit better. It didn't really make a difference, but kind of one of those is what it is things. Take it with a grain of salt. China, man. China.